Get into the 2024 RAM ProMaster 3500. Keep your business running smoothly with this highly capable ProMaster 3500. From its impressive towing and payload capacity to its array of modern tech and competitive fuel efficiency, this hard-working commercial van gives you the tools to succeed. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, adaptive cruise control, fog lamps, heated mirrors, backup camera, satellite radio, keyless start. Feel ready for the project in this well-designed ProMaster 3500. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.